Hello friends, this is Zara from It's Me Creatives. Today we have done this online muffin class. In this class we have covered almost 12 types of different varieties of muffins. Different variety in the sense we have covered different flavors in it, from simple to the advanced flavor. Now let me show you what all we have covered, and let me show you each and every muffin which we have done in the class. But before that, let me tell you that this course can be done by you sitting at your home online from anywhere in the world. For that, you just have to need to text a message on WhatsApp or a call on the number given below. So let me now show you the muffins what we have covered in the class. Now to start with, the first over here is apple strudel muffin. Obviously the name itself suggests that this is fully loaded with apple. And apples are definitely healthier to eat. The next here we have is mulberry blast. And mulberry blast is but obvious. Each and every bite you will get the blast of mulberry in it. And they are so sweet and soft. Next here we come up to the tutti frutti. The most colorful and the most simple one, but liked by each and every one in the family. Here we have is marble strawberry. Can you see the marble textured done in this muffin? Yes, you do it in the class. And the flavor is full of strawberry flavor. Next here we come is banana oats muffin. Now this muffin is full of banana and oats and a little flavor of chocolate chips. I'm definitely sure it will be liked by kids. Next here is a very unique and a very different flavor, which is pumpkin cheese flavor. The taste of the pumpkin and the spices which we have added in it and the cheesy texture. I'm sure everyone is going to like this. Here we come to banana Nutella muffin. And this is also a chocolate flavor, loaded with walnuts and one of the healthier one. Coming up to next is chocolate overloaded. Wow, that look itself is so yummy, and chocolate is each and everyone's favorite, whether it is a kid in your house or the adult in your house. And this is rosy pista. Rosy pista flavor is a sweet and rosy flavor. Here we come to one more unique flavor, which is tangy chocolatey orangey. The tanginess of the orange and the chocolate overloaded in it will give you an amazing flavor. Wow, this colorful thing is candied coffee crunchy muffins. Isn't it beautiful? It is fully done with the candies and chocolate and coffee. The last but not least is peanut butter, nutty peanut butter. This taste in itself is very unique. So all these 12 cakes we teach you in the class. All these 12 muffins are taught in the class. Do let us know in the comment section, or just give a buzz on WhatsApp on the number given below. Do subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.